Hello everyone. Thanks for watching TechBurned. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button, press the bell icon, and like the video for the algorithm. This video will guide you through the steps for downloading genuine Windows 10. This Windows software can be installed both on PC and Mac. To begin with, open a browser on your PC or Mac. I'll use Chrome, but you can use any as per your liking. In the search bar type www.microsoft.com/en-software-download/Windows 10 or simply Google Windows 10 download and go on first link. This link is also given in the video description for your convenience. Next, select the edition from this scroll down menu and click confirm. Furthermore, select the language for your download. I'll choose the English version, as I think I know a little bit of English. Click confirm. Next, choose between the 32-bit and 64-bit version. If you have a really old PC, you'll need the 32-bit, else the 64-bit will work for most PCs and Macs. You can check this in the Properties tab in this PC option. Your download will begin as soon as you click the 32-bit or 64-bit version. After the download has finished, you can find the genuine Windows ISO file in Downloads folder. And that's it. Smash that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.